Hello everyone and welcome to my channel IT Info. And today we will discuss about the retention tax and retention policies in M365. Let's get started with. So topic we will cover today is what is retention tax, what is retention policy, and how retention tax works. So there are three types of tax that which is defined in M365. The first is default policy tax, the second is retention policy tax, and the third one is personal tax. So if I say about personal tech, it can be assigned by the user from the Outlook to the user mailbox, and it can be defined by the admin also from the admin center or from the PowerShell. So if I talk about retention policy tag, so retention policy tag can be applied on a specific folder. For example, inbox, sent items, or delete folder. So in retention policy tag, you can apply, recover, or delete mails. So if I talk about the default policy tag, so in default policy tag, it is applied on an entire mailbox. For example, the default policy tag can be used for the archiving of emails, deleting of emails, recovering of emails, and the permanently delete the email from the mailbox. So when we apply a default policy tag or retention policy tag, we required a container type. So for example, our container is retention policy. So first we create a tag and then the tag will get stored in retention policy and then policy can be applied on the user mailbox. So that is how tax and retention policy works. So let's say we have created a default policy tag to move the emails to archive that is older than 1 year, or we have created a tag which can be used to delete or recover email, or create a tag to permanently delete an email. So let's consider we have created a tag. Let's consider we have created a tag for moving mails to archive which are older than 1 year. So what will happen? First, we will create a tag. I will show you from admin center and from your PowerShell also. First, we will create a tag. Then tag will be set on one retention policy, and then retention policy will be applied on the mailbox. So for example, we have created a tag, then the MRM will come in a picture. So what is MRM? MRM is message record management. Okay. So MRM manage the record. For example, there are emails which is older than 1 year and which is newer, like 1 month old, or let's say 9 month old. So MRM will perform a task to identify the emails which are older to 1 year and can be ready to move to archive. Then managed folder assistant will be used. It is the full form of MFA, to manage the emails and start moving the emails to archive. It works every seven seventh day. So this is the phenomena, and this is the process on how a retention tag and retention policy works. Okay. So we have discussed about default policy tag, retention policy tag, and personal tag, and how retention policy can be applied and how we can add a tag on retention policies, and how these things work when we are setting up move to archive, delete or recover email, permanently delete email, message records management, how it works, managed folder assistant, how it works. So now I will show you from the portal side, like how you can create a tag or a retention policy and how can you apply them. So you need to open your compliance, click on switch to new portal yourself, click on solutions. So you will see data lifecycle management. You need to click here, and then you have to come to here, exchange legacy. Okay. So first we will create a MRM retention tag. So there are some default tags you can use to create in a policy. For example, 1 month delete, 1 week delete, 1 year delete, 5 year delete, 6 month delete. Default 2 years move to archive after mails getting older than 2 year. It will automatically move to archive. So these are the tags you can use, or either you can create a new tag. Name your tag, for example, delete. Uh, delete 2 year old. Click next. So you will select here if you want to use a default policy tag which will apply on the whole mailbox, or automatically to default folders, for example inbox or deleted item or assigned item, or you can use either a user or an item and their folder, so it is a personal tag. So I will use a default policy tag. So it is asking me the retention period of, okay, so when item reaches the following age, for example in days. So I will select for 2 years. Not to say a 2 years, let's say 365 days. And what retention action will be performed? Delete and recovery. After deletion, user can recover items from the recoverable item folder. So when we go to Outlook, there are two things. When we delete email, it will be moved to deleted folder, and after that, after 30 days, mails will be moved to recoverable item folder. In recoverable item folder, it is available for 14 days, and after 14 days, the mail will permanently purged or deleted. Okay. If you want to skip this action, you want to permanently just say, I want to delete an email from an from my mailbox, then it will be directly moved to the purge folder and permanently deleted and can't be recovered. So we can select from here if you want to move an item to archive. So I will just say delete and allow recovery, and the tag is created with the delete 2 year. Okay. You can see your tag here after refreshing. Delete 2 year old. This is the tag that we have created. Now how you can add that tag in your policy? Just click on the new policy, enter the name of the policy. So let's say one, and add a tag from here. So what we have created? We have created this. You can select either multiple tags also. It depends on you. Click add, click next, and click finish. Okay. So To apply this retention policy to mailboxes and exchange online, you need to go to recipient and mailboxes in exchange. From there, you can edit the retention policy assigned to the mailbox via details panel that appears when you click on a mailbox. So let's see. Let's say select one mailbox. Let's select IT info. Click on mailbox. These are the policies. So if you click on here, manage mailbox policies, so you can decide from here which policies can be applied and click on save, and the policy will be applied to the full mailbox. Okay. So this is how you can apply a policy and create a tag in an Exchange Admin Center, and then add a tag in an policy and then apply the policy in the mailbox. Now I will show you how you can use a PowerShell to create a tag and then create a policy and then apply a policy on the mailbox. So let's start with, okay. So first, if you want to create a policy tag, just type new hyphen retention policy tag space hyphen name and then select a name of the your tag, and it will be, I have showed you, test. Okay. Let's create one for you. Let's decide the name to type all and then hyphen retention action. What action you need to perform? I have selected move to archive, and the age limit for the retention. I have selected 365 days. Click enter, and then to create a retention policy, just enter the name of the policy. For example, let me create third policy, retention policy tag link with the tag name of your tag that you have created. Enter 2 and this will be created. Now if you want to set an policy, just go to set hyphen mailbox, the your mailbox name and the retention policy name. So let's see, we have created the with the name 3. Select. Okay, if you want to see if the policy has been assigned or not, get hyphen mailbox identity itinfo@makefit.com space pipeline space select, or either you can choose FL also and just type the name retention policy, the property, and it will show you the policy which is assigned to the mailbox. So if you like this video, please like. If you have any doubt or any query, and if you want to send some feedback, please comment on the same. I will reply. If you want to share this video with your friends, please share. And if you want to learn more, please subscribe and support this channel. Thank you.